Good evening, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube channel once again. Today we are doing the unboxing of the Audio-Technica MSR7B. This is a balanced version of the closed back. I was going to go with the M50s, but I looked at the reviews on this one, and plus it comes with a balance cable. And I would love to have a balanced closed headphone because my other headphone that I use that is open back that does have a balance cable, which I am using, is the 660S. So back to the main conclusion of this video with this headphone. So this is gunmetal. The other color option you have is black. So this will be black, and then the except that red stripe that around the cup, it will be on blue. And also this will be black, this will be black, but I went with this color because it looks sick and I cannot wait to try it out. So let's get started. Also as well, this is a portable headphone, so if somebody wants to go on the go, you can. Or you have an MP3 player that is 4.4 jack compatible. It also has that as well. So let's open up this bad boy. And also, this is high-res certified, which is awesome. So let's open this baby up. Get it out of the way. Okay, there we go, boom. So in the package itself, let's open it up. So inside, so you got a nice little carry pouch that you can take it with you on the go, and in your office somewhere you want to store the headphones, that way it doesn't damage. You can put it right here. The cables that comes with. So of course it comes with the MCX connectors. I may say that wrong, but forgive me. And of course the 4.4. So if you have balanced output, like for example my setup that I have a 4-pin XLR to 4.4, it will be compatible with that or any 4.4 jack. And this is the regular 3.5 jack, which is nice, I believe. Oh, it does look like it has a mic that you could talk with it, which is awesome. So let's put that towards the side. I'm definitely gonna use this one, to be honest. Of course, safety guide and user manual, and also you do get a 2-year warranty from them. And look how beautiful this thing is. I just love how it looks, the gunmetal. It looks beautiful. Oh, also the ear cups are memory foam, which is nice. The build quality is really good. Oh, that's a nice little click. Just a little wobble. Of course, that little wobble that's gonna happen. And pretty much that's it, ladies and gentlemen. This is the video. Any questions you wanted to ask, you answer them down in the comment section. I will answer them as soon as possible. Until then, ladies and gentlemen, enjoy the rest of your weekend. Signing off.